What's up, everyone? To train station. Today we back to train station. Why are we going this step? Because I will show you the progress I made. Alright, drop tools. Also, don't mind that, Steve. Okay? Okay, done. See progress. Let's go. First, I need order time. I'll show you. Train station. Oh yeah, sorry, my cat. What's wrong? Good. Yo! Yo! Yo, my cat! Yo, look, you to be up there! Yo, you're under my TV top. Yo, you up there? Bro! What the heck? Stop! Okay. Nature. Look at Mother Nature. Bang! Slap that booty. Bang. Okay, not go.
Alright, everybody, come on. Go. Alright, enough musical chairs. Take gym class. Alright, so today we're gonna be having a test. Quiz, baby.
Oh yeah, I forgot that I also need check for spots. But
oh my god, Becky is such a nerd. Honey, if you need to...
also, we had our station. Let's go. Also, we also add.
I'm actually a genius, and I don't need your help.
Another control.
You're a genius. That's really, really cool. Alright, enough talking. It's time for the pop quiz to start.
And also, I can't start yet because not even finished. So. Let me make a bed.
New girl and Goopy. Okay, alright. You're gonna have 10 minutes to finish this pop quiz. It shouldn't be hard. It's all basic math.
Mr. Crumples, are we allowed to use our calculators?
You're not allowed to use calculators. You think I had a calculator when I was in the army?
Why would you need a calculator in the army?
Count how many people I killed.
Oh.
It was too many to count on my hands. Mr. Grumples, can I use my cell phone? No, that terrible machine is ruining your brain.
I forgot.
Mr. Grumples, can I have extra time? Because, whenever I try to think, my brain hurts.
No, Gooby, you get the regular time just like everybody else.
Gooby, just don't think. Just write down random numbers.
Yeah, okay.
Boom.
I actually only need 9 minutes for my quiz.
I think I do that
Need less
completely.
time. Alright, it doesn't matter when you finish your quiz.
Anyways.
Your time starts now. Oh gosh, there's a lot of
I
questions.
might
I don't know
pass
what I'm
it.
doing. I don't even know how to pick up a pencil.
Wow, it's really hard.
But I
Guys, are you
just want
doing
to show you
good in the pop
something
quiz?
that I guess might see, but you explain.
What? I see some of your answers.
Singing.
Easy, I just need a couple of them.
Yeah, you just have to be careful so Mr. Grumples doesn't see you.
Just move my chair over here. There we go.
No, wait. Come back.
Okay,
My
okay.
paper.
Sure.
Sorry,
Where's the-
Becky, but
what?
I'm kind of looking at Daisy's
So
paper.
we can
I
go
can
here.
usually copy off hers.
Outerland.
You can just look at
Oh, what's up? What's up? Sorry, guys. My cat.
He said
Come
it's
back.
okay.
Ooh, let me just steal that
What's up,
one,
what's up?
steal that one. Oh, thank you, Daisy.
Oh, Daisy, you're so helpful. Thank you.
Anyways, what I'm saying was,
I want
saying
to show
Outerlands,
you
then we
Yes.
go another
Scooby,
place.
Scooby.
Gooby, why
Yes, that's what the banner for.
No, Gooby just
That
needed to go
that's
to
what
the
the
bathroom.
banner for.
Yeah.
For another place.
My deal. Let me just click on
So,
these
What the
audio,
heck?
audio,
What are you
yes,
doing,
audio.
really?
Hey, you just got poop all over the floor.
Actually, I can't.
Gooby, sit back down.
Then I was thinking about it.
Joey, Johnny, why'd you get up? Weren't you sitting
And
over here
also,
before?
No, I
audio.
wasn't.
the-
I'm watching you, buddy.
And also,
I was here the whole
time
time,
there's
Mr. Grumples. I think
lamps.
you need to get new glasses and you need to clean your
The-
eyes.
Alright, well, I'm not even wearing glasses, so...
mayor of
Exactly, that's why you can't see.
Glenn.
Old fart.
Like a
Alright,
person.
that's it. Pencils down.
Mayor
Done.
of
Check
Bio.
mine first. I got 100.
Oh yeah, there's no
See
turning
that?
back.
Wait a
Yeah.
minute. There's a lot
Yeah.
of good answers on here.
Yeah, it's
They
good
look
second.
exactly the same time
Oh, yeah, it's
you
not
on
bad.
homework since you didn't do as good as Becky. So here you go.
So what? So let's continue. Anyways, but
100 math problems. You can figure
let's
that
see.
out, Becky. You just
Oh yeah, I forgot I showed
of a seal
the
on there.
part. Stupid.
Oh my goodness, Mr. Grumples, I am not doing all this homework.
Stupid.
I want to draw a picture with you.
Bruh.
No. You guys have all this.
Yes, give me a second.
You didn't do as good on the quiz as Becky.
Oh, we got 100.
She got 103.
Oh, it's not fair. It's so stupid. I hate math class.
Alright, Johnny, I can come over and help you if you need.
What? You want to come over and help me do this homework?
Yeah, I'd love to.
I don't know. I think I'm just gonna burn it instead and not do it.
You're gonna what?
I'm gonna do it and do it all 5 times for you, Mr. Grumples. That's what I said.
That's what I thought. Now, all you
Anyways,
kids get
I
out
don't
of
know.
here. It's time for your next class.
Oh my goodness. Guess I'll take all this homework we're done. Come on, guys. Let's go to our next
Dang.
class.
Don't tell Mr. Grumples, but I'm leaving my homework in there.
What? Oh my gosh, Daisy. Who am I gonna copy all my homework from?
I mean, we can still do it. I'm just not gonna do mine.
Hey guys, you can copy my homework if you want.
Okay, let's show our progress. Chop chop.
Take all my
Chop
homework
chop.
and you can give it to me tomorrow morning before class.
Yeah, I'd love to do that for you.
All right, Becky. That would be awesome, but we need to go to our next class. Guys, what's wrong with Becky? She's like a zombie.
I think Becky's having an asthma attack. Help! Help! We need an inhaler.
What? An asthma attack?
Okay, come on.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's just how I breathe. Yeah, I can help you. I think you
Give me a second.
have a trouble with it, so I can give you mouth to mouth.
Boom.
Heck no!
Boom.
No,
Boom.
I don't need that. Good.
Go. This is so stupid. Yes. Yes. Don't think. What's we'll do is go here, here,
Yeah, but
here,
don't you
here,
pretend
here,
that we all live together?
here.
That's so cool.
Go to Africa.
I'd love to come over.
No, that's
That'd be
okay.
awesome. I'll let Marty know when I can.
Going to Africa.
Where are my students?
Wait, Africa. That's a Robert. Oh, Robert Power. Oh. Okay. Keep refill. Now hold your breath. Hold your breath.
Next to each other.
And
Actually,
say,
you sit right here in the middle.
Yeah, okay, I'll sit right here.
Becky, where are you gonna be sitting?
I think I'm
again.
sit here
Okay,
and
bring
watch
it.
paint.
Yeah.
You're not gonna
Go.
paint yourself?
Whoa, this will not do. You must paint your own painting, Becky.
Yeah, Becky, I think you should sit right here.
You can sit next to me right here if you want.
Go.
Yeah, I'd love to sit next to you, Kimmy. Could you just move over a chair? I'll sit right there.
Yeah, Becky, whatever you say, I'll sit right here.
No, Gooby, I was trying to.
I'm done.
No, whatever, fine. I'll sit over here.
And
Okay, I can't wait.
guys, you gonna like this. I promise you on my heart, organs, liver, stomach,
Teacher, I need some color over here.
gonna be incredible. Let's go. Yeah, my throat. God. Wrong. What did I say? Okay. Damn it, yo! Okay, let me do it. Okay, let Michael do it. Yes. Here. Michael, that's how I not do it. Shut up! Full nature. Yes. Look at that. Even
2 more minutes to finish your love paintings.
Oh gosh, I need to hurry up.
Sure, you love it.
I love it so much.
Ah, my teeth. All your teeth. Okay, come on, chop. Come on, Alan. Okay, back. Why are we back? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is more.
I don't know. Mine's looking
French
really good.
kiss. Okay.
I have a lot of passion for chocolate cake.
There's not much time to the finishing details.
Okay, guys. That could be end of the RCB news. This news.
I am done.
Yes.
Okay, I signed it.
Reaction news.
Oh yeah, my
You guys make a news? Okay, Michael, Jake, shut the fuck up. Okay, you know what? You know what? Let Mike. No, I will do it. Wait. Let Michael. Now, I gotta find a flight. Ow! Ow! Let Michael. Okay. Yes, that. So that could be and that be end of the RCB news. Bye. And have a good time. Lemon. Why me, Lemon?
What? Johnny or what?
You're not. Robert, let him go. Why say let me in? Then? Jake, shut up. Hey, I just joking. Goodbye.